Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you all of you that have given me chance to deliver my research proposal presentation today about the relationship among reading strategies, reading habit, and reading comprehension achievement of 10th grade student in Palembang. Let me introduce myself first. I am Flora from English Educational Study Program at Islamic State University. Introduction. Reading is a fundamental skill in learning English as a foreign language (EFL) and is essential for academic success. According to Brew and Yule, 1983 and Gibbs, 2009. Reading comprehension influences cognitive and affective process. Two important factors influencing comprehension are reading strategies and reading habits. Natal 1986, Gianni 2022. Reading strategies help students understand text effectively, while regular reading habits encourage exposure to English text. However, many students still experience difficulty to limited strategy use and poor reading habits. Nation 2009. Previous study found positive relationship among these variables, but must examine the separately and reported inconsistent. Result Hasni and Wahanza 2022, Wani and Ismail 2074. Therefore, this study investigates the relationship among reading strategies, reading habit, and reading comprehension achievement of 10th grade students in Palembang. Research problems. To investigate the relationship among reading strategies, reading habit, and reading comprehension achievement of 10th grade students in Palembang. To analyze the contribution of reading strategies and reading habits to student reading comprehension achievement. Research objective. 1. To investigate the relationship among reading strategies, reading habits, and reading comprehension achievement of 10th grade student in Palembang. 2. To analyze the contribution of reading strategies and reading habit to student reading comprehension achievement. Literature review. Concept of reading. Reading is a fundamental skill in EFL learning that improves understanding and constructing meaning from text. It helps students expand their vocabulary and develop critical thinking skills. Reading strategies. Reading strategies are techniques used to improve reading comprehension through planning, monitoring, and evaluating the reading process. These strategies help students become more independent reader and overcome difficulty in understanding text. Reading habit. Reading habit is a regular and consistent reading behavior, which includes the frequency, duration, and attitude toward reading activities. Positive reading habits provide generate exposure to written language and contribute to the improvement of reading comprehension ability. Reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is the ability to understand and interpret written text by connecting information from the text with broad knowledge. It is the main goal of reading and is essential for academic success as well as the development of vocabulary and oral language proficiency. The second material, hypothesis. Null hypothesis. There is no significant relationship among reading strategies, reading habit, and reading comprehension achievement of 10th grade students in Palembang, which implies the variation in student reading strategies and reading habit do not significantly relate to the differences in their reading comprehension performance. There is no significant contribution of reading strategies and reading habit to student reading comprehension achievement, which mean the reading strategies and reading habit do not significantly predict or influence student reading comprehension outcomes either individually or simultaneously. Alternative hypothesis. The next one, there is a significant relationship among reading strategies, reading habit, and reading comprehension achievement of 10 grade student in Palembang, which indicates the student use of reading strategies and reading habits are significantly associated with their level of reading comprehension. The second two, there is a significant contribution of reading strategies and reading habit to student reading comprehension achievement, which suggests the reading strategies and reading habit have a measurable which and meaningful effect on student reading comprehension both independent and collectively. The second chapter 3, research method. Research design, quantitative method using a correlation design was used in this study. A correlation design seeks to quantify the extent of the association between two or more variables using precise statistical methods. This study classified as a relationship research design as it has to identify the relationship among variables and their interconnection. Independent and dependent variable were the two types of variable this study. The independent variable is a trait that influence the dependent variable and it remained by other factor. Meanwhile, dependent variable is a trait that dependent or is influenced by the independent variable. This indicates the independent variable in this study were reading strategies by X1 and reading habit dominated by X2, and the dependent variable was reading comprehension dominated by Y. Setting and population. Setting. There are two schools that were used to conduct the research. The setting were based on their accreditation with two public schools in Palembang. Having an accreditation, the first was SMA Negeri Sip Palembang of the first school with accreditation A, which is located at Jalan Serasan Sani, Talang Aman, Kecamatan Kemuning, Palembang. The second was SMA Plus Negeri 70 Palembang, public school with accreditation A, which is located at Jalan Mayor Zurbi Bustan, Pipa Jaya, Kecamatan Kemuning, Kelurahan Sukajaya, Kecamatan Sukaram. Population and sample. The population of the study was all the 10 grade students of two schools, which consist of SMA Negeri 6 Palembang and SMA Negeri 17 Palembang. The total population student from 70 classes population consists of all subjects that serve as the of data in the study. Validity and reliability. Validity refers to the extent to which an instrument measures what it is intended to measure in this study. Content validity was used to validate the questionnaire and reading comprehension test. The instruments were validated by English lecturer and English teacher to ensure that the items were appropriate with the variable of the study. Reliability refers to the consistency of the research instrument. Lushkas et al. The reliability of the questionnaire was analyzed using Cron-based as alpha through SPSS. The second material, data analysis, descriptive statistic, mean, median, modus, standard deviation, minimum, maximum score. Linearity test, insert linear relationship, normality test, the test Shapiro will check data. Alright everyone, that's all for my presentation. Today I'm apologize if I had so many mistakes of my presentation, and again, thank you very much for your good attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.